I'm Mark Edwards. I'm 53, fast approaching 54 in November. I was diagnosed with CF before my first birthday. Interestingly, my parents were told that I may not live to see my first birthday, so I'm a bit in credit at the moment. I also had a sister who had cystic fibrosis. She was 2 years younger than me. She unfortunately died 5-6 years ago. And it makes you think that one day that's going to be me, possibly. But I don't dwell on it. I must admit, I've always been quite a positive person. I've got an ambition to be drawing my state pension, and that's going to be a while away yet. Smart Care was the trial that I was on about 5-6 years ago, and basically once a day you went through and did a series of measurements. It only takes 10-15 minutes a day. I found it quite useful. So when I was asked to do this Project Breathe, which would be that and some, it was very interesting. I was given the chance to talk to the developers, to say what I liked and didn't like about the previous incarnation. I was given a new Fitbit, which was nice, but most of the other stuff I already had still. Whizzy new app that you can download onto your own phone, so you don't need a separate phone. I find it quite reassuring because some mornings you'll wake up and you'll be a bit chesty, and then you do your blows and feel, oh, actually I'm not so bad, that's as good as yesterday. It's a good indication of whether your lung function's going down, going up. Yeah, I find it really useful. I try to do it about the same time every day, so as soon as you open the app, it will download the data from your smartwatch. There's a couple of questions, takes no more than a minute. The longest bit is to do the blows, so sometimes it will take me 2-3 blows to get a decent blow, and sometimes it will take me 10 blows to get a decent blow. But I am quite competitive, so I will keep going until I get a decent blow. It has caused me problems. I'll turn up to the hospital for an appointment and I'll be blowing rubbish that day. But now I've got the app that says, well, this morning before I left for the appointment, I blew a 39%. So it's just because my blowing's a bit inconsistent. Whereas before, you had nothing like that to say, well, there's the record over the last 2 weeks. I've blown between 39 and 41. Perhaps I'm just having a bad morning at the clinic. So no, I find it really useful. Remote clinic for me means, firstly, it saves me having to go to the hospital at a certain time. It saves me having to be there all morning to do a series of blows that may or may not be great because of my inconsistent blowing. It means I get to do all that with one person, and we sit and we've both got the app in front of us, whatever version of that she has of my information, and we'll just literally go through the range of whether my weight's up or down, whether the blows are good. The other benefit, of course, is I can't catch anything from anyone over the phone. There's a chance of getting cross-contaminated if you're at a CF clinic, even though you're in separate rooms. So yeah, not having to go to hospital for 2 out of the 3 months is brilliant. I hope they roll it out to more people, because I think having a daily record of these things like your weight, your blows, the blood gases, etc. has got to be better than having, oh, here's what he was a month ago, here's what he is now. So I think it'd be useful to get more people on it. Being able to do all this at home, to monitor myself, gives you more of a feeling that I'm in control of what's going on with my CF. It's what normal people would do with their health. You don't have to rush off to the doctors for everything. I had cystic fibrosis for a long time now, so I'd like to think I know a bit about it. But this just gives you the sight, definitely a bit more control over your own treatment.